Hi there, this is the Bosch Serie 6 integrated washing machine. As you can see from the outside of it, it's a pretty bog standard washing machine appearance. They don't tend to make integrated machines look that special, but there's something not unappealing about this one. There's a number of features on this washing machine that we haven't had with previous washing machines. The first one of which is, might seem quite a minor one, but it's actually quite a nice design detail. When you turn the machine on, when it's ready to be programmed, you will see a light come on inside the main drum. Now, as I say, this is a small feature, but it's actually a really nice one. You can see what's in your washing machine, and if you have a toddler in the house like we do, they will think it's a super special function of the machine. So, as I mentioned, there are a few things that this washing machine does which our other previous machines haven't done. So the first one of which is that it has a number of settings that allow you to use less water, an eco function on them. They are longer settings, so they're settings that you'd want to use if you were around and about in the house whilst they were happening. But they do mean that you'll consume less water, which is especially great obviously for the environment, but also if you have a water meter, it will save you money. On top of which, one of the really nice things about this machine is that it has an eco silence drive, which means that it makes a lot less sound than previous machines that we've owned. Particularly the night wash setting means that it goes on really quietly, but actually all the spins that we've done so far in the week that we've owned it have been much quieter than our previous machine. Okay, so when you're putting a wash on in the washing machine, you just turn the dial to the setting that you want. So I'm going to be putting in a couple of towels, so I've chosen a standard 40-degree setting. I'm putting my 2 towels in here. Now, in the top of the washing machine, you can put your detergent and your fabric softener, and it has some lines on it that show you what the maximum are. Now I have to say, we thought the maximum was way over the amount of detergent we would normally use, so we weren't too sure about that. But anyway, we tend to use a cap-topped detergent anyway. So pop that inside the machine. If you look at the dial here, you'll see that it's telling you, based on the weight of the items that you put inside, that on this setting it's going to be 3 hours and 13 minutes. However, you can hold your finger over and take some time off. You can see now I've hovered my finger over the button there, and it's now taking the time down to 1 hour. So if you want to have a shorter wash, you can choose that feature. When you're ready to start your wash, you just press the start button here, and it's ready to go. Now, when you hear a click, it's about to start. If you have a toddler or a child, like we do in this house, you then can hold your 2 fingers over these buttons here, and it will lock the washing machine. So there's no possibility now of your child coming along changing the settings, or indeed opening the washing machine door. However, what happens quite often in our house is that there's an item that hasn't gone in the washing machine which we'd like to add. This washing machine has a great function where, first of all, I need to turn the lock back off because that's set. I can now press pause, and the washing machine has paused, and it allows me to add in the extra item at this stage. Now it won't do it all the way through the wash, but it will later at the beginning, so you can now press start again and you're good to go.